Hey guys, DK12 again. Today I want to show you how I open up the garage door by hand. Technically the power went out since there was a storm today, and now the button for the garage door doesn't want to work. But earlier my dad managed to open this by hand and I managed to close it, so I'm going to show you how exactly I open this thing. Check it out. See? That's exactly how you do it. There's a big mess out there, and I just wanted to get all the sticks and twigs picked up as much as possible. That's going to wrap it up for now. Peace out.